Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about CapCut editing app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to simply blur any video background without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and just like what you see right here, I'm going to start all over. And for that, I'm going to go ahead and close this particular project file. Now, having closed the project, so next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we click on new video right here. Then I'm going to use this particular video as an example. So I'm going to import the video file and hit on add. Now this particular video here, I need to cut some part. I'm going to make sure I start up the video, click on here, split. I'm going to select on this and delete. So I need this video from 6 seconds to about 10 seconds right here. Split. I'll make sure I click on the last part and I'm going to delete. Now, so just like so right here. So next thing we want to do here is to adjust the video size. So for that, I'm going to drag and adjust the video file size right here. Just like so, I'm satisfied with this particular video right here. Next thing we want to do here is to make sure we import a video overlay. And for that, what we want to do here is to make sure the video was not selected. And the next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on overlay right here. So having clicked on overlay, go ahead and click on add overlay. So we have to make sure we select the same video. Click on import and click on add. Now we have the video right here. So I have to make sure I adjust the video. So it was cut from the 12 seconds split. I'll make sure I select this part and delete. So I have to make sure I drag in all over this video here. I drag in all over to fit in from the beginning, just like so. The next thing I'm going to do is to drag again and then make sure I select here, split, and select this part now. And then I make sure I click on delete. Now I have two video right here. Now this is going to be overlay. The overlay is going to be the main video, while the background is going to be the blur background. So for that, select all the overlay, adjust the video, and make sure it fits in the same size with the main video. Now what we want to do here now is to remove the background of this particular overlay video. So for that, what we want to do is to slide in from the bottom right here. We'll make sure you slide in, continue to slide in until you get to background remove right here. So go ahead and click on remove background. So once you click on remove background, go ahead and click on auto remover. And in a few seconds, it's going just like what you see right here. Lastly, go ahead and click on this check mark. Background remove successful. Now we have the video right here, just like so. Okay. Now next thing we want to do here now is to adjust the video size. So I'm going to select on the overlay video size and then increase the width of the video size and make sure it fits in the background, fit in with the background of the video right here. So just like so. So I'm going to make sure I adjust the part where I appear right here. Okay. Now next thing we want to do here is to see how we blur the background of the video. So I'm going to adjust this main video right here. Continue to adjust. Continue to adjust till I'm satisfied. Till I'm satisfied with the effect. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to see how we can blur the main background of the video. For that, select all the main video. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Effect tab right here. So from the Effect tab, click on Video Effect. Next thing you want to do here is to click on here and search for blur effect. Go ahead and click on that and make sure you type in blur. Blur, just like so. And blur, click on search. And in a few seconds, you are going to see a bunch of templates for blur. Here, you can use any template as the case may be. You can see there are a lot of blur effects right here. So I'm going to simply use this first blur right here. Simple as that. Now, you see the video background here has been blurred. Now you see the video background here has been blurred. Go ahead and click on this check mark to accept. So just like what you have right here. Now we can adjust the blur if the blur is much. So for that, go ahead and click on the video again, and make sure you go back to video effect, video body effect. Then go ahead and search for blur. Then next thing we want to do here is to select on the blur adjustment. We can work on the blur as the case may be. You can see. So if you are satisfied with the blur, then go ahead and accept it, just like so. So I'm satisfied with the blur right here. Then go back, then click on here to accept the blur, just like so. So I'm going to select the overlay video to increase the video size more and more, so you can see the video background has been fully blurred right here without affecting the main video, just like so. You can see it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click and hold down and make sure everything starts from the beginning, just like what you have right here. It's that simple. So you can see the video background has been blurred. I'm going to select this part, split, and make sure I select this part that split and click on delete right here. And then we have the background of this particular video being successfully blurred. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your CapCut video editing app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.